canal, Hunter canal. In Russian we have Gunter canal. Yeah. So this is the anterior opening of this canal. Through this opening goes arteria descendens genicularis and nervus saphenous. Two structure from this Hunter canal goes. So remove the body and find me the end of the Hunter canal. Come to me. Yeah. So it's better to here in this position. Where is it? The instrument, Professor Haidt. When you touch the body without instrument. This is the end. Yeah, this is the end. So between. So what is it? The border of the exit.
The biceps.
It's not a biceps. The biceps located here.
That's semi-membranous, semi-tendinous.
Semi-membranosus and semi-tendinosus located here. What is it?
Muscle.
Which one?
Adductor magnus.
Yes,
Adductor magnus.
this is adductor magnus. So between the crus of abductor magnus,
It's open.
what is it?
Femoral artery.
Femoral artery, femoral vein, femoral artery, and
Saphenous.
that's all. Saphenous go through this
Okay.
anterior foramen together with descendens artery. Yeah. So only
Femoral artery, femoral vein.
femoral vein and femoral artery. Look at the position of this vessel. This is a femoral vein located superficially. This is a femoral artery deep inside. Okay. It goes through the crus between
Adductor magnus.
abductor magnus muscle and this place called in Russian Жаберова fossa. Жаберова fossa. In Russian we have the name of the frog, Жаба. Жаба. So Жаберова ямка. Imagine that here sit down some frog that called Жаба.
Java.
And remember this name. Жаберова ямка. Here some frog. Жаберова. Okay. Start just from when the artery and the vein go through this exit of Hunter canal. The name of this structure changed to popliteal artery and the popliteal vein. Okay, the main neurovascular bundle of the popliteal area.
Popliteal artery and popliteal vein.
And
Small saphenous.
Deep.
what is it? What is it?
Subcutaneous lateral.
Ischiatic nerve. So, popliteal artery, popliteal vein, and ischiatic nerve. Don't forget about it. So, come back to the gluteal area. The muscle, the layers of gluteal area.
Yes. 3 layers.
3 layers.
Gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and minimus.
And minimus. Okay, what else?
And piriform muscle.
Piriform muscle. Where is the instrument?
This one is
Yes.
piriform muscle,
This is a piriform muscle.
which differentiate into greater supraspinatus, piriform foramen
And
infra piriform.
infrapiriformis. Yeah?
Yes.
So, through the suprapiriformis foramen, which structure goes?
Superior gluteal artery and superior gluteal nerve.
Okay, superior neurovascular bundle, let's
Yes.
say. Through the inferior
Inferior gluteal artery, inferior gluteal nerve, and pudendal nerve, ischiatic nerve.
pudendal neurovascular bundle and
and
ischiatic
ischiatic.
nerve. So, once again, muscle piriformis, separate the foramen piriformis into
Supra.
supra and the infrapiriformis foramen. Ischiatic nerve, the biggest nerve in our organism,
Yes.
and this is the main nerve of the posterior compartment of femoris. Which artery goes there?
Deep femoral artery.
Deep femoral artery with arteria perforantes.
Yes.
So the deep femoral artery, better say, goes there into the anterior compartment. But the branches of
Deep.
deep femoral artery and the arteria perforantes from femoral artery make an arterial branch here. Yeah, actually it's located deep inside. So this is the ischiatic nerve, but here located the artery together with the ischiatic nerves.
Okay.
Okay, what is it? It should be here. It should be here. Okay. So the popliteal artery. What is it? Who can say me?
Sciatic nerve branches.
It's a branch of ischiatic nerve, where the ischiatic nerve separate into nerves, into the tibial and fibular nerve.
This one here is like this one is fibular and here tibial. Here
What is it?
sciatic nerve.
It's a branch of ischiatic nerve that called tibial nerve. Yeah, and it's separate. It's separated here. It's separated here, and this is the branch.
Tibial.
Of fibular nerve.
This is fibular, yes?
This is the tibial,
Tibial, okay.
because the tibial much more bigger than the fibular one. Okay, the popliteal area. Once again, which structure, which vessel goes from the popliteal area, goes through from the popliteal artery in the popliteal area? Which one?
The popliteal artery, like one is going to anterior of tibial artery.
What I mean?
Posterior tibial
In the popliteal
area.
fossa. Yeah,
Popliteal artery, vein and popliteal artery.
goes. And popliteal artery gives us some branches. Which one?
Superior medial radicular artery, superior lateral radicular artery, medial artery, sural artery, inferior medial
The sural artery.
inferior medial artery, inferior lateral
Artery. So all of them go through the popliteal artery here. Yeah. Okay. After that, the popliteal artery separated into
Tibial artery. Tibial anterior posterior.
arteries: anterior tibial artery and the posterior tibial artery.
Then
And from the posterior
fibular.
tibial, yes,
common fibular artery.
common fibular artery. So, the main branch of popliteal artery, this is the posterior tibial artery. It goes together with the vein into some canal. The name of this canal? Canalis of Cruris, but the name, the
Castro.
Popliteum canal. Correct. Canalis crura popliteum. Where is the beginning of this canal?
Here is the beginning.
Here, this is the beginning.
And the gastrocnemius.
Yeah, between the gastrocnemius muscle. Where is this canal located? If we dissect the crus this way.
Gastrocnemius muscle. Which way?
So, I make an amputation here, where, between which layers the canalis crura popliteal is located.
Anterior compartment.
The crus and gastrocnemius muscle.
Gastrocnemius muscle and musculus soleus.
Crus. Soleus muscle.
Better say, not really. So, the layers of the muscle in a cruris.
Triceps.
Triceps, okay. From which muscle it consists?
Gastrocnemius and soleus.
And the soleus. This is the superficial layer. The deep layer,
With extensor of the
I thought that in a posterior compartment located flexor
flexuria flexor.
and extensors located here. So,
Flexor, tendinous and flexor muscles.
which flexors muscles?
Flexor. Tarpo.
Flexor digitorum, flexor
Pollicis.
hallucis longus.
Hallucis longus.
Pollicis is here, hallucis longus are here, and muscle tibialis posterior. Muscle tibialis posterior. So, on the posterior compartment of muscle in the cruris, they are located in two layers. Superficial, this is the triceps of cruris, and the deep layers, this is the muscle flexoris, muscle tibialis posterior, muscle flexor digitorum, muscle flexor hallucis longus. Between these two layers located the neurovascular bundle in crura-popliteal canal. So, the anterior wall of this canal, muscle soleus. The posterior wall,
The muscles superficial
the muscle,
digitorum.
the muscle,
Posterior tibialis.
yes, tibialis posterior. So, Hunter canal start at the lower point of popliteal fossa. Yeah? Where is it finished? Where is the exit of this canal?
Next it will be to the medial of
Medial
Here.
area.
here.
Where? Show me the point.
It's not
Here.
Here. Yeah. So the end of this canal located here. We discuss it. Yeah. So that between. What is it?
the tendon of the triceps muscle.
Tendon of the triceps muscle or Achilles tendon,
Malleolus, medial malleolus.
medial malleolus, the medial point, this is the end of the Hunter canal. Which vessels goes into the Hunter canal?
Tibial nerve
Tibial nerve.
Posterior tibial
plantar
artery.
artery.
So here it's not a plantar, here
Tibial artery.
Posterior tibial artery.
posterior tibial artery and tibial vein. Posterior tibial vein. Okay. Oh, well, what else? Look, this is the beginning of Hunter canal. Yeah? Do you see? So, this is the muscle.
Crura-popliteal canal.
This is the muscle. The name of this muscle.
Gastrocnemius.
Gastrocnemius lateralis medialis. Open them. Under them located. What is it?
Soleus.
Soleus. And under the soleus muscle.
Posterior.
So, this is the beginning of the crura-popliteal canal. Remove the body. Okay. The anterior compartment of cruris. No. Which structure I took?
അറിയാം ഏതൊരു മസിലാണ്
ആർട്ടറി വെയിൻ എന്താണ്?
എന്താണ് മസിൽ
ആർട്ടറി വെയിനാണ്.
ഫീമറൽ ആർട്ടറി
ഇത് ഫോൺ എടുത്തിട്ടോ. ആരെ പോണം? യുവർ